Hello everybody, this is Isaac Benjamin with Forest River Sabre, the #1 fifth wheel at Forest River. I'm here showcasing the brand new 36EST, phenomenal floor plan. It's going to be a rear kitchen, highlighting some insane, great selling features on this. #1 is going to be our chassis Sabre. We utilize a Norco chassis. The advantages to the Norco chassis, you have 2 layers of rust protection instead of 1. We use huck bolts, which are used on train cars and homes, better structural integrity, and all the welding on the chassis is done robotically, okay? So it's the best chassis in the RV industry. It's Sabre's claim to fame, and it's why we're experiencing the growth and the customer satisfaction that we are today, okay? Not only that, more value in the coach. #1, vacuum bond lamination, best lamination process in the RV industry. 144 tons of pressure on the sidewall for 16 minutes. We're talking about a lot of quality, and we're providing it at a very affordable rate for our customers, okay? Let's go ahead and take a step inside. As you step inside, I encourage you to look at the half bath. Phenomenal. You got a bathroom, and then you have washer dryer prep in these cabinets right here. I can showcase that. Say what's up to the frog, right? Washer dryer prep. Phenomenal. Stepping into the rear of the coach. Large L-shaped sofa. You and the family, you can post up here on a nice evening and watch your favorite movie on your 70-inch TV, right? That's what we're providing with Sabre. Continuing, all the cabinets in this coach, it's all real hard wood, okay? We're not cutting any corners. You can see it there. Real wood core, right? That's who Sabre is. What I love about this floor plan is your rear kitchen, right? Tons of countertop space. Not only is it a countertop, it's a solid surface countertop, right? It's gonna hold up with the wear and tear of the camping life, right? You got a 3-burner cook stove. An oven that's big enough for a turkey. We have Thanksgiving in the factory once a month, right? It's phenomenal. Step over here for me really quick. Take a look at that. Spice rack, hidden spice rack. I love that, it's phenomenal. No excuses for bad food in the Sabre 36EST. You can find it at DeMontrond RV in Houston, and you can buy it at the Houston RV show in February. Looking forward to it. A lot of storage space down here, right? Tons of storage everywhere throughout your coach. You have your workstation sink, right? You have a cup sprayer. You can wash your vegetables and fruits if you eat those. I don't. If you do, please enjoy, right? Not only that, more storage. Lots of storage in this coach. We want this to feel like a home. We want our customers to enjoy it. But this isn't even the best part, in my opinion. You have your butcher block countertop, your desk. You can do your homework if you do that. I don't do that either. Never was a good student. Nice table right here. Large windows throughout the coach. Really, really love it. If we step up into the front, something I love. Every single Sabre. Hidden storage, phenomenal. Hide your goodies in there. 70-inch projector screen, smart projector. So you can watch Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, all of the above on this. You have more storage underneath the bed as well. It's on struts, phenomenal. It's all wood inside. But not only that, phenomenal in here, right? We're talking about an estate style front bathroom, right? Large mirror, his and hers sink, porcelain toilet, fiberglass shower. It's phenomenal, okay? But that's not even the best part. Tons of closet space, racks up here, another mirror. Look at this. I hate doing laundry, but I love doing it in a 36EST, right? You already got your laundry hamper inside the coach. It's phenomenal. Look at all the storage in here as well. Every single one of these drawers is going to be identical to that. It's phenomenal. Just a couple things I love on the EST. Going further, just some more exterior features. You have 200 watts of solar on your roof. It's a PVC material, fully walkable, limited lifetime warranty on that membrane. There's nothing to hate about this, only things to love. Find it at DeMontrond RV in Houston and buy it at the Houston RV show at the NRG Stadium in February. Thank you.